guys, good morning. So today's video is going to be all about quick unboxing. Actually, I already opened this one, but because I'm excited, but I got busy and didn't have the time to do the video. So now I'm doing it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I got this package March 8th, and I've got here two tall ones, so I'm just putting it down there. I might break it. So the packaging looks like this. From the outside, it has a sticker that says it's breakable, and I have the details there. I got this one March 8th, and then it has the name Mary, and I received this one through Family Mart. Yeah. I ordered 5 perfumes. I forgot the online. Okay, I'm trying to recall the online. I'll be putting on the comment box. Yeah. Description, whatever you may call it. I'll be putting it down there so that if you guys are interested to purchase perfumes, also these are authentic ones, you'll know where to get it. So I'll be sharing to you guys what we got online. See, this is already unboxed, but I'm just trying to show you how the packaging looks like. This is just a very quick video. I got here 5 perfumes. First of all, the packaging looks like this. It has a bubble wrap. Of course, for shipping, it's safe and all that. So we got 5 perfumes. Inside, I have each perfume is wrapped with this, and it's and it's safe and it's very decent, you guys. And it has this sticker like that, yeah, and like that. Okay, the first thing that I got here is a glow from JLO. I don't know. It's my first time to use this one because I have read a lot about this, that it's gonna be like lasting, super lasting. We'll see. That's the reason why I got this. Hi, JLO. Yeah, here it's JLO. It has like this. Okay, I'll be tearing it off. I will be showing to you guys. Oh my goodness, my phone and the other gadgets are just down there. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll just drop it here. I might literally drop it. Oh my goodness, you guys. Wow. I didn't open it yet, but yeah, I really smell it. Actually, I researched on the details about the notes for each, like the base, bottom, and blah blah blah. And this one has good reviews. So I'm smelling it. I cannot try it on because I didn't take my shower yet. Okay, smells good. The first one is JLO. It looks like that. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to use it. It's 100 ml, and of course it has an initial of JLO there. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. Okay, the next thing that we got here, oh, how is this? Okay, anyway, later. I'm sorry for my hair also. The next thing is this True Love. The packaging looks like this. Can you see it, guys? Like that. And it is also very decent because it has this wrap here, so we'll try to unwrap it. Well, it's still unboxing. Unwrapping. It has this sticker from the authentic online shop where we got this. I got it in Taiwan, but Taiwan also has authentic shop. And yeah, here this is the back portion, that's the front portion. True Love from Elizabeth Arden. I was actually planning to my goodness, you guys, look at that. Oh my god, I'm so excited to really use it. But actually I was planning to give this one to my mother as well, because it smells good. I'm sorry for my lips. I've got lip problem now, but I already put some therapy on it. Oh my god, I am so excited. It smells good. It's from Elizabeth Arden. It's also 100 ml perfume. I was actually planning to give this one to my mother, but shipping is very, very, like, it's so hard to ship perfumes, you know. It's good when you give perfumes to someone, then you have to travel and hand it by yourself. I don't know. Elizabeth, hi mother. I was planning to give that one for you. And then the next thing that I got in here is the CHOO. Yes. The packaging looks like that. It's very decent as well. In like that. The authentic sticker. That shows that it's from Taiwan. Yeah. We will unbox it, unwrap it. There's still a little portion that I haven't seen. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's try to open. The box like this. It's a rose gold. The box looks like this. I already tried using like this before, but it's CHOO Flush. So the bottom looks like this. Like that. So, and then it has this thing like, wow, it has an event. Wow. The other thing that I used before, it doesn't look like this. A bit like this. Perhaps it's like this also, but no. This is I think is the new one because I used the Jimmy Choo Flush before. It's different. No, it's new because the one I used before, I'm still familiar with the smell. It's not the one I used before. I got it. Smells good and I'm so excited to use it. It's from Jimmy Choo. Okay, we'll arrange that one later. The next thing that I have in here, perfumes as well, is from CK. This is for men. This is an ideal gift to someone special. And yeah, the packaging looks like this. I'll just try to open it. Hi. Oh, it looks like this. It comes in a bottle like that, and then I didn't open it actually. I wanted to try, but it smells good, yeah. But I didn't open. But it's volatile, yeah. It has a spray like that, but I didn't open. But yeah, that's it. And the next thing that I got in here, I'll be trying to make a separate video for that, for like trying it on, how long it's gonna last, and all of that. The next thing in here that I got is the Jaguar thing. It's again another gift for someone very special, and the packaging looks like this. It also has this thing, but I already removed because I'm excited. Yeah, wow, it's so elegant, you guys. It's like deep green. How do you call this one? It's a moss green or something. So the packaging looks like that. It's plain. Again, it smells manly, and yes, Jaguar. And that's it. That's it for today's video. Nothing. And inside the box, we got, what is this? I got 2 previous actually. Thank you, online. I think it's I forgot. I don't wanna mention online. I might get mistaken. So I got this drop earrings, the heart shape with letter D on it. I like it. And then it has this pearl thing. And a freebie. I think it's a ring, something like that. Thank you. So that's it for today's video. Nothing. Oh, I still have one. I didn't see it. Oh my goodness. Oh, I got the necklace. It's again included in the package. It's a freebie. I didn't. Oh, I like it. It looks cute though, guys. It's the key. A key to my heart. Wow. Oh, wow. It's a key with a heart shape, and this is the authentic how do you call this, antique finish Y necklace, and it comes with an earring that looks like this with an initial that looks like, I'm pretty sure it's letter D, and then it is a heart with a key. Is it the key to your heart, D? Just kidding. Okay, thank you. I like the freebies. I got excited about the freebies, and oh, nothing. So that's all, nothing. And the receipt is here, and the box is here. It's empty. Thank you. So guys, if you wanted to order as well, I'll be putting the link below. The link below. Thank you so much for watching, and that's all for today's video. And yeah, don't forget to smell good. Mwah.